Okay, so now we are done now in terms of the assembling of our oven. Now it's fully assembled. You can see all the different parts have been all connected together. Now it's time to check that everything is in place, and then if it can stand up nicely. Okay, there we go. Oven can stand. Now we can see that all those parts, they were all separate. Now they are all in one piece. And then we just need to check that inside the grids are there. Yes, the grids is there. Check also the oven box. Yes, there is a grid inside. So now your oven is actually ready for you to cook it. Now just a couple of tips that I just need to go through with you guys. First of all, the two boxes. Basically, this is your prover box and that's your oven box. Now, when you put your oven together, please remember not to mix the two up. Because if the prover ends up down there, it's going to be a problem. What is going to be the problem? Basically, this prover is not as strong as the oven box. The oven box is very strong underneath because it's built so that it can maintain the heat down there. But this one is a little bit thinner. So what happens is if it ends up down there, the heat makes it so hot that the top here expands so that it creates like a hump on the top here. So now that hump you won't be able to cook or put anything in here what that humps in, because imagine now that grid is up there. So now you can't actually fit anything in there. So be careful that you don't mix the two up. Okay. Another thing, as another tip to make sure that each box is in the right place, just check the gauges. This gauge, basically, you can see that the maximum temperature of it is about 100 degrees Celsius. So now you know that is the prover, it needs less heat. This one here, the maximum temperature of this one is 300 degrees Celsius. So it needs more heat. That's why the firebox is so close that it can actually maintain that heat without any problems. So once you get those things two right, then you know you've got them right. Other than that, the oven is sorted. It's ready for you. It's ready for cooking. Yeah, that's your oven done.